Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help improve English communication skills. Start by practicing daily with short speaking drills, active listening, and targeted vocabulary review. Record yourself and review for clarity, pronunciation, and pacing. Focus on common conversation topics, use shadowing with native speakers or recordings, and set measurable goals like 5 minutes of speaking per day to build confidence. Track progress weekly and celebrate small wins to stay motivated consistently. Warm up by listening actively to short clips and shadowing sentences phrase by phrase, focusing on rhythm and stress. Use minimal pairs and tongue twisters to tune your mouth to tricky sounds and reduce common pronunciation errors. Record a short monologue, compare it to a native speaker, and note 3 things to improve next time. Make these quick habits part of your routine so progress feels natural and steady. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers to make meal prep easy and keep study snacks tidy between practice sessions, because nothing ruins focus like a spilled lunch. I put a link and other deals in the description, so check them out if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Start with role plays for everyday scenarios like introductions, ordering food, or asking for directions to build practical fluency. Join conversation groups or language exchanges to get real-time feedback and exposure to varied accents and expressions. Prepare 2 or 3 short topic notes and practice speaking for 1 to 3 minutes without stopping, then review for clarity and filler words. These focus sessions will make spontaneous conversation easier and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.